Heavy-duty plastic wheel for roll-in docks and lifts. Designed to roll easily on rough, soft, or uneven terrain. Maintenance-free plastic will not rust on shaft. 24 diameter with 8 treads and 1.98 diameter axle opening. 800 pounds capacity per wheel. Works great with Smarte Jacks. Top reviews from the United States. Engineering makes all the difference. Surprise. Well-engineered product. Tested in windy, 50k, lake with rounded rock beach. Last year, the dock wheels was left a little too far into the lake for freeze-up. Expanding ice pushed the heavy dock up the bank. It either ripped apart or twisted the L-shaped supports, axles. I was surprised with pressure the plastic wheels withstood, some being pushed by ice in a 45-degree angle upwards against rock in -34 degrees this year. Strength is engineered in the hub and fork design, proving to withstand more, it would appear. The is a small drain hole in each wheel. Replacing 1/5 axles and 1 wheel. Couple wheels C/W axles lost. Ice was about 1.5 feet thick and pushed the 6,000 pounds dock about 3.5 feet up the bank. Cheers.